Hi, in this video that I am going to explain about yesterday which I had posted that video regarding that even on that why I posted that and the reason behind and why the level I showed the same level which was yesterday, the same level that I am going to show you. There is nothing changes in this horizontal line and whatever the trend lines and all. So here the basically the I'm explaining it is good for a beginner to understand basic concept of the price action and basic SNR zone of a dynamic support level like dynamic SNR zone, which is good to understand for a beginner, and it will be very helpful for further their future. And I would like to show you in this is just please, if anyone want to cross check, you can go yesterday data and yesterday video, and you can see the yesterday video, which I'll give even link in the end. So here, so the basically the price action, what it makes you sense is the support and resistance, and why the market respect that and why the market reject from there, right? So here there is a simple that method that I am going to explain you about. If you see this trend line which I had draw this one, if you see this trend line, and this trend line I have draw maybe on 14th Jan only, 14th Jan or 15th Jan, and yeah, even some day before yesterday maybe I had it's 2-3 days ago I had draw this one, right? So which it has already created high, it was somewhere around here maybe. So at that time only I took this trend line and support and everything, so based on that only I did, right? So on 14th or 15th video you can watch and you will understand, and that video and this one. So why I draw that day and why still I am keeping this, the reason behind still I am keeping this, right? So for you guys only to understand, to make you sure that yes, the trend will respect the entire SNR zone, which is a very accurate and very good, right? So here if you see in the simple way that yesterday in yesterday video that I had posted the level, and you can see this level even yesterday was also the same level and today also the same level, there is no changes. But the things here, it comes here, see this is let me where do I yeah, for now let it be. So it is actually the, let me show you here. So it is actually the 1 hour time frame which I am going to convert into a this one. So let me make a full screen here so it makes a little bit clear. And yeah, so here if you see here sorry, it's yeah, see this is the long on 14th, yes, and 14th itself I had draw I think this trend line, so based on a 4-hour time frame, right? It's not 1 hour, it's not a 5 minute, 10 minute, anything. 4 hour I took a 4-hour support, please be understand, I took a 4-hour time frame, right? So after taking a 4 hours, which is a low and SNR zone, right, you can see there, you can watch it there, and the trend has started momentum, right? It has clearly started momentum. So further what you are going to expect for a Monday, that probably it's going to be, if there is nothing in a global issue or something like that, then it's probably it's going to either break upside, not a downside, right? So my view is that one. and my level, why still I am keeping this level, is there is something that I need to check the previous day data, and I need to change this one for Monday, right? So it will go further upside based on a 4-hour time frame. So I'll try to, but basically what it makes sense for us is, I'll show you in the another stocks as well. So here, if you see here, the low trend probability, which is 95% of accuracy in my scenario, that this level is, and this one is a 65 percentage scenario based on a volatility. And it was, if you see the trend, that it has converted from here, it has started reversing, right? So the trend has reverses from here. So here what happens, the trend has respected this zone, right? And if you see this one, this is a 200, pink one is 200, 100 and 50 EMA. Okay, so here see, it has respected the multiple times, once, twice, then jump, right? So even a lot wave or something, you can like see X, A to B, B to C to, it's jump, it's same, it will come right, that. And you can see, for if you want to see the lot wave and everything, that you can see the previous long back I have posted, which is very good, that as well. So here, if you see here, that based on this, I am talking about price action only, right? So here it has reversed from here, right? So for the Nifty, this one is, I am talking about Nifty. See here, it is a Nifty chart. So it has reversed from here. So basically the people have started sorting at around 11,000 or 11,900 call sorting. Maybe most people, they are sorting 11,000 and 11,900 something, and maybe people have sorted aggressively 9,900 sorry 10,900 strike, so strike price. So here see, the trend had started reversing downside, and then again it started picking a momentum and then bounce back, right? So again fall and again bounce back. So it's the trend signal is probably it's looking for a upside only. So it has made a 3 days constant, that in a range. So it's, which I can expect that Monday, if there is no issue, then it's probably it's going to be the nice momentum or gap up, right? Either it will open a flat, then start a momentum with the pure positive, right? Then or else it will open a gap up, right? So if the gap up opens, that I am probably expecting the 9,000 10,000 10,950, that which is my this level. So it's probably it's going to start from here. If it got to break out something like that, you can observe this one Monday, please. And again Monday evening you just watch this. If there is something changes, yes, I may be wrong in a particular this, I cannot say that, but I'm expecting gap up or flat opening with the momentum. It will rise nicely, but this level is on my view, right? So that's makes sense, I think. So here, so let's talk about the bank Nifty. See, bank Nifty, what is this? What is this level? See, if you see this level, already I had explained everything in 14th Jan video, so you can watch and everything. I don't have to explain. This is a pure price action basis I have draw, and you can, I don't want to repeat again and again, right? So that doesn't make sense for everyone. So if you want to follow someone, then follow and just try to observe regularly, right? If you are watching this video only, you will maybe watch this video for just 1 or 2 minutes, doesn't matter. But if you are watching previous also, it will make you a matter. and it will make you understand, it will make you confident. But if you are particularly following this strategy, then right, if you are something breakout or something like that, yes, price action, we have to do price action in price action also, breakout and that. But there is something which we called like there is a zone, right, zone type of, which we have to follow. In that zone only we have to look for a breakout or something, and we have to wait. So the basically the drawing the horizontal line and trend line is for me is a pure price action for beginner. So here I had drawn in 4-hour time frame, which is very clear on a 14 Jan video. Already it was there, I had not changed anything in this. So here the price yesterday the same thing, it has got a reverse in bank nifty. This one is bank nifty. So here, and after 2:30 2 o'clock it bounced back, right, again it started consolidating. Why? Because 27,600 and 27,500, most people they know that it will be in a range, because expiry is also coming near. So even yesterday was the expiry, so it was happen like that, right? After everything that got expired, then it started taking a momentum, which people usually do like that base, right? And then again they sought it, maybe they have bought it here, and they maybe it started falling down. And but the things, whatever it goes up, no one to be frank, the pro people they won't see whatever it's going and going up, they won't see. They see their levels, either it has touched or not, right? They place their alerts, they note down the levels of that. Yes, tomorrow if this level has reached, then I am going for this way. And whatever the hedge and options, futures hedging in a multiple strangle, it's a lot of there are different strategies so to hedge. So they probably maybe done that way as well. So see here, it has clearly, it has respected this zone, right? This zone it has respected. So this why I draw, how I draw, you can see the support level in previous day as well. It is a pure support SNR zone, right? So there is nothing to how to draw SNR zone. You can see in a previous video, you will understand, right? So here you see everything is SNR zone only, right? There is nothing doubt, no one will have a doubt about this why I draw and why, what is this reason behind, right? So you just draw, try to draw in a longer time frame, convert into a shorter time frame, which is 1 hour 15 minute, which I basically using, and then try to analyze the proper and make your entry levels, make your exit levels. And once you have entered in a particular, suppose in this low area, suppose if you have entered with the limit order or something order, right, then price will start moving up, right? So now where you are expecting, most people they try to trail, right? So trail basis you can go based on that in a longer time frame. Trailing should be in longer time frame, not in shorter time frame, otherwise it will kick you out from the position. So it is bad trailing in shorter time frame. Trailing in longer time frame is much that strongest. Once the price has started moving up somewhere around bank nifty is a very high, so you have to keep trailing every 20 points rise up. So like that you have to work in stocks and all. Just every 5 point, every point 50%, 0.80% you have to trail based on that in a longer time frame, and you have to look based on that, and you have to trail your SL2 here. Suppose if you have entered here, like, right? I think it makes sense for everyone. so here, so still the trend has touched this level. So let me now increase this one. See guys, why I increase and how it is increased. Base you can see here clearly, you just see the base where I had draw, and because I am not taking this, why? Because it is not a strong, right? It is a strong. Why? Because it has a lot of after 1 2 3 days, that before 3 days supports which I have taken here in a 4-hour time frame. You can see, you will understand. You have to convert into a 4-hour. This is a 15-minute, right? But anyhow, I just trail only, it's drag only, right? But the body, you can see body where I had the lower trend body is a here, and higher trend body is a here. Wherever, it doesn't matter, but it should be in a proper this one. See, I had not drag into too much like this, right? It is in a particular this one. So this is how it makes sense for everyone, right? So here, and Monday it's probably either it will try to push down little bit, and then it will try to push back, reverse may happen, but probably I'm looking for a gap up only. And or if there is a negative something else, then I'm expecting for this level. Suppose if this got broken, then I am going for a short side, looking for a short side. Already I have looked here only for a short side, right? So once the price trend line got broken, that's it. I am expecting 27200. Let's talk about another one. See here, this is Tata Steel, you can see here, right? So it's just for a watch list purpose that I keep change a watch list and all, so don't but for you guys, I am telling you, if you are a beginner, please don't watch more than 4 stocks. Have you got it? That Bank Nifty, Nifty and stocks. But whatever that I am telling, suppose if you are following the Bank Nifty, yes, Bank Nifty, which liquidity stock you have to choose in the most scenario that and also like suppose if you are choosing an example only I am giving, if you are choosing Bank Nifty like which has listed, so choose some like Axis or something. Yes Bank is also good, like that, right? Only 2, right? And another one just choose from metal sector 1, right? 1 stock from metal sector and 1 stock from pharma sector. So it's become a total 4. Bank Nifty from bank sector you have chosen 2, and metal sector 1, pharma sector 1, whatever you can choose, right? Whatever you likes, so you choose which is most trending stocks, right? You can choose that one, but not more than. If you have not got any entry in a whole day, doesn't matter, just stop for the day. But in 4 price you will get, I can make you 100% sure, without any doubt I can make you 100% sure that you will get opportunity to enter, which you should not miss that opportunity, and which you have to proper study about it, that 4 whatever, right? And total it will come 6, including the index, bank and Bank Nifty and Nifty 50. So they are the king. Nifty and Bank Nifty are the king, right? So follow the king and look for the sentiment, look for the reaction, trade based on a reaction and go with the flow, right? So this is the way. So here if you see the trend, and if you see here, it is like this. See, so here it is, I have to drag a lot to do this one. you can see here, but no problem, just I'm showing this only, the first level, lower level only I'll show you, this level only I'll talk about. You can see in previous in that video that you can see easily that one. So here if you see here, the trend has touched this one. Yesterday I had draw, remember this, yesterday I had draw this one, and trend has touched, then reverse, and before reversing you should see once metal sector how it is gonna react. See 9:45 the sentiment got from bull to bear, right? And see, look for a nifty and metal sector, right? So you will get an idea once it got converted into a bear side. That's it. What you have to do, you will understand, right? You have to sell or buy, right? So I don't have to explain that one. So here see, the especially I had placed this level here, alert here, everything's here. See, the sorting would be the perfect area, which is a low risk. You can keep risk at above this one, which comes as 479 and entered 477, right? That is what I am telling. Pro people, they look for a level, they wait for a level to touch. Once touched, that's it, there it's got execute, that's it. Now they will wait for the below target, which is here. Already I have shown you in a previous that which this line was the same as it is, I have not changed, right? So here why I do this one, because I took this support area, this support area, this support area, right? And I can't talk about this because this was today, this support area and this support area, I think yeah, this one, right? So little bit I have to drag this one. See, I'm dragging into the body, not a tail, right? So here you can watch this, you can see this one, and today how it react, same, it has touched and started reversing. So what you have to do, once you touch, oh everything is bull, so should I enter or should I go for long or short? Why you are getting confused? That's the first question. If you have draw based on your analysis in a previous day itself, then next day morning why you are getting confused, why you are involving your emotion into that one, and why you are trying to buy in this zone? That makes a lot of mistake, everyone does, right? So please don't do that one. So once you have analyzed the yesterday, that once this level got hit, then probably I am looking for a bear side, you will decide yesterday itself. Then why today morning you are changing your mind, why you are involving your emotion? Work based on your experience, not based on your any other guidance, right? And emotions, right? So that makes sense, right? So please try to understand the few things. See here, it has converted into a bear and reverses, right? So why I love reversal? Because of this only. I am a pure price action trader. Yes, you will say, then why you have added the EMA and all? Yes, I need this. Why? Because it is also a called SNR level. If this line is here, then I would probably say the support, it is here, I would say resistance, right? So this is nothing, right? So I am following the price action only. So see here, it was not able to go above this one, and then it reversed. So this is how it makes sense here. Please try to understand. So let's change topic now, another stocks. See, in Petro, what it does, I am laughing inside. because see, as I had draw the trend line yesterday, nothing changes. You can see, you can verify my previous video, and you can see this level. You will understand pure cut. I don't have to even comment, I don't have to reply you. Just focus on this video for nothing will happen. If you focus 10 minutes to 20 minutes, nothing you will lose. You will gain experience, that I can make you sure 100%. See, SNR zone yesterday itself I had draw, right? See here and see here, and also if you convert it into a 4 hour, then there is a lot of this one support SNR levels, right? So see here, and then it has touched here. See, you can see here clearly, right? It has make this high. It went little bit above that. I can't do anything, right? So it has went little, but it has touched, means my order, if suppose I had placed my order here for a sorting side, because it is a upper line, right, based on my resistance level. This is a resistance. Once it goes to the resistance, what you have to do? Sort. Simple. Once it comes here, what you have to do? You have to go for long buy. That's it. When it touch this one, where you have to go? You have to go for a buy side. Simple. There is nothing behind, right? So if you touch here, then you are a 95% sure, then from this level or from maybe 448, 451, 452, it will chances for a reversal. But after going after moving 251, then if it try to sustain here, then fall back, then again bounce back, means why? It is a consolidation zone, and then from here it will bounce. Then what you have to do? Then you have to, simple, that you have to, based on your analysis, you have to ignore. You don't have to go for long. Ignore it, please, because it is, once the price has started moving towards upside, then as you have saw for a bear side, then it is started moving upside. Don't enter, I am telling you, don't enter for long, right? So look for a sorting only. Look for a sorting if it is in resistant area, right, as per your analysis. See here, it has started making, I didn't draw, to be frank, I didn't draw this. See, 23960, you can see the previous video, you will understand. See, from here clearly it has respected this trend and all. See here, clearly there is nothing doubt here, right? So see, here it started reversing. If there is a positive, and the weak people that who are doing regularly like a position basis, they probably looking for a bull maybe. So Hinpatro is as well, this is Hinpatro. The Hinpatro is probably it will go upside. So this comes, whatever I told you, whatever I said in this video, this has included the price action, reversal, right, and even EMA and whatever that's SNR levels, right? So SNR levels, these are the support, these are the resistance, right? So everything it has included, right? It is a dynamic levels, you can call it as a dynamic levels, which is obvious that it will either it will respect or reject. That's it, right? So it has respected here, you can see, and it has rejected here from the below, and then it try to moved up. But so Monday we can see that if there is in a pre-market little bit changes in that also I will explain about a pre-market, and if there is a little bit push volume positivity, and then we can look for a momentum above this level, and we can place a stop loss easily. Nothing, keep a stop loss 3 point or 4 point something, right? Safest is 2 point or something in a low price. This is a very low price, so 1%, 1 to 1.5%, just keep a stop loss. That's it. Let the trend start taking momentum, right? Let it touch either this level and somewhere around this level, right? Then you can close, right? So thank you everyone. I hope everyone likes. So if this video is very good, so just click like, so I will understand that yes, people have liked. So thank you.